If you want a rack that's versatile, durable, and fits any space, this is it.
And now let me show you the X2 freestanding closet rack. Everything comes neatly packed with instructions and tools included. So setup, it's simple. It's easy to put together, just follow the step-by-step guide. The X2 is built with heavy-duty carbon steel and comes with an extendable closed rod and a retractable mesh panel for extra space. Plus, it comes with locking mechanism to keep everything secure. The X2 expands from 39 to 56 inches wide, and it holds up to 700 pounds and comes with anti-tip devices for extra safety. Plus, it comes with clips that let you easily adjust the height. And just like that, it's ready to handle all your storage needs. With multiple adjustable shelves and extra storage space on top, it's perfect for clothes, bedding, or accessories. So definitely the X2 is sturdy, spacious, and made to fit your space.